Myself KK Sharma from Excel Electromagnetics, Udaipur, Rajasthan. We are manufacturing electromagnetic clutches, brakes, brake motors, and this DC brake motors, AC brake motors, gear brake motors, brake rectifiers, and all. And our company was established in 2000, and I am the founder of this company. And we are based in Udaipur, Rajasthan, and we are here in this exhibition in Hyderabad, and getting a good response here. Thank you.
कितना साल से है?
We're 2000 we have started. It's 25th year.